Banksia House, designed by Aphora Architecture, embodies the resilience of its natural surroundings on Australia's east coast, drawing inspiration from the tenacity of the native Banksia Integrifolia. The tree's adaptation to sandy soils, harsh coastal winds, and frequent bushfires served as a profound metaphor for the home's design. Much like the Banksia, the house stands as a durable structure, built to endure the elements while embracing a philosophy of custodianship and harmony with the land. With every detail meticulously mapped from an initial site sketch, the architects took careful note of the existing flora, especially the Banksia trees, and allowed these to inform the building's orientation and material selection, creating a residence deeply rooted in the natural rhythms of its environment. The architecture thoughtfully acknowledges the ecological systems at play, both human and non-human, emphasizing a connection to the broader ecosystem. High-level glazing is implemented to capture changing weather patterns, seasonal light, and the movement of wildlife, enhancing the occupant's relationship to place. From any room in the home, one is subtly reminded of the living, breathing landscape outside, where flora and fauna thrive against the rugged coastline. This interplay between the interior and exterior of Banksia House ensures the residence is not just a shelter, but an ongoing interaction with its surroundings, reinforcing a sustainable and sensitive approach to coastal living. Banksia House also honors passive ventilation, an essential feature in reducing reliance on mechanical systems. Each room is designed with 2 windows placed on opposite walls, allowing cross-flow ventilation that residents can regulate by hand. Privacy screens with insect mesh ensure that these apertures can remain open, allowing fresh air and the soothing coastal sounds to permeate the home, day and night. This open, breathable design reinforces the seamless connection to nature while maintaining privacy and comfort, making the house a space of continuous dialogue with the elements. Materiality was a crucial consideration in achieving the durability required for such a setting. Exposed blockwork, charred timber, concrete, and glazing were chosen not only for their resilience, but also for their minimal environmental impact. The exposed blockwork forms a structural spine for the house, simultaneously acting as thermal mass, capturing and retaining warmth during cooler months, while shaded eaves protect it from intense summer heat. Carefully modeled sun paths guided the design of these eaves, maximizing seasonal comfort for the residents. Large masonry blades, positioned to buffer the coastal breezes, lend strength and stability to the structure, showing how each architectural decision supports both functionality and sustainability. True to the generous spirit of its clients, Banksia House transcends conventional boundaries between public and private spaces. The architects intentionally held back hard landscaping and fencing, fostering a sense of openness that invites neighbors to wander through the property on their way to the nearby beach. Families strolling along the street encounter soft edges and expansive lawns under the shade of fig, tuckaroo, and Banksia trees, creating a sense of shared community space. This thoughtful integration with the surrounding neighborhood enriches the home's cultural context, establishing Banksia House not only as a sanctuary for its inhabitants but as a welcoming, enduring part of the landscape and community.